Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to change background in Zoom. So what you have to do is just click on this settings option and then click on this background and filters option. So it will show you a list of virtual backgrounds that you can apply. So just click on any of the virtual background that you wish to apply, and after applying the virtual background you can just close this window. Now suppose you are in a meeting and you want to change your background. So just go to this option stop video and just click on this arrow icon to open the menu, and then click on this option choose virtual background. So it will take you to the backgrounds and filter option, and you can choose whatever virtual background you want to apply. Just click on that. Now if you want to add some background from your computer, then just click on this plus icon and click on the add image option to add the image from your computer. So this is how you can change the background in Zoom. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.